Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 30 incredible ideas for designing a modern kitchen. There's just something about a kitchen that feels clean and fresh, don't you think? If the kitchen is the heart of the home, then a modern kitchen is a happy heart. Let's get started. In modern design, less is more. Flat panel or handleless cabinets offer a sleek, clean look that's stylish and functional. Quartz countertops are durable, easy to care for, and their polished finish is modern and chic. Integrating appliances creates a seamless look. Tucking them behind cabinetry opens up the space. Chapter 4. Open shelving. Open shelving adds a personal touch and visual interest. I love displaying pretty dishes or a few plants on mine. Chapter 5. Smart technology. Who doesn't love technology in the kitchen? A touchless faucet or a smart fridge, it's the little things. Matte black accents in the kitchen, fixtures, handles, faucet, it adds drama without being overwhelming. Chapter 7. Statement lighting. Lighting is crucial in any room, especially the kitchen. A pendant light or chandelier can elevate the space. Chapter 8. Waterfall Island. For a wow factor, consider a waterfall island. Extending the countertop material down the sides adds luxury. Chapter 9. Glossy finishes. High-gloss cabinets or backsplash reflect light, making your kitchen feel bigger and brighter. Add some glam. Chapter 10. Neutral color scheme. You can't go wrong with a neutral color scheme in the kitchen. White, gray, black, timeless, elegant, and never out of style. Chapter 11. Industrial touches. I love the mix of modern and industrial. Exposed brick, metal shelving, concrete countertops, they add edge to the space. Chapter 12. Hidden storage. A well-organized kitchen is a happy kitchen. Maximize storage with pull-out drawers, hidden pantry, and clever organizers. Chapter 13. Backsplash feature. Make a statement with your backsplash. Geometric tiles or marble, add personality. Chapter 14. LED lighting. LED lighting is functional and stylish. Installing it under cabinets or inside drawers is a great design tip. Chapter 15. Two-tone cabinets. Adding contrast with two-tone cabinets adds visual interest to your kitchen. I love mixing and matching. Chapter 16. Touch-open cabinets. For a modern look, consider touch-open cabinets and drawers. It's a sleek and functional detail. Chapter 17. Glass front cabinets. Display your pretty dishes and add depth to your kitchen. I love the open, airy feel they create. Chapter 18. Concrete elements. Concrete isn't just for industrial lofts. Concrete countertops or flooring add a modern, urban feel to any kitchen. Chapter 19. Built-in breakfast nook. A built-in breakfast nook creates a cozy spot for casual meals. Add modern seating and a small table and you're all set. Chapter 20. Integrated wine cooler. For wine lovers, a built-in wine cooler is a must-have. Practical and stylish. Chapter 21. Floating island. A floating island creates a modern, minimalist look. The open base makes the space feel larger. Concealing your vent hood within cabinetry creates a streamlined look. It feels clean and uncluttered. Adding texture adds visual interest to your kitchen. Subway tiles, herringbone patterns, textured glass, many options. You can't go wrong with stainless steel appliances. They're classic, modern, and they always look polished, sleek, and professional. Chapter 25. Pop of color. While I love a neutral kitchen, add a pop of color. A bold blue island or green accent wall can brighten up the space. Chapter 26. Water filtration system. A built-in water filtration system ensures you always have fresh, filtered water. Plus, it looks sleek and modern. Chapter 27. Integrated seating. Adding seating to your kitchen island or bar maximizes space and creates a casual, inviting atmosphere. A modern undermount sink achieves a clean, sleek look in your kitchen. I love how seamless it looks. Using large format tiles on your floor or backsplash makes your kitchen feel larger and more contemporary. Creating a green kitchen is good for the planet and your soul. Use eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable designs. Thanks for watching. I hope these ideas have inspired you. Remember, it's all about what works for you. Add your own personal touches, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.